Hi guys, if you want to improve your trading consistency, journaling your trades inside FX Replay is one of the best habits that you can build. So if you want to try FX Replay for yourself, there is also a 15% discount link in the description. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the journal feature inside FX Replay step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on fxreplay.com. Afterwards, you can create your free account over here. Now over here in the left hand side, simply click on the option of testing, and as you can see, this is the analytics, or I would say this is the journal of my back testing strategy. So over here it is showing me that I've taken 2 trades and the win rate is 100%. It is also showing the historical time replayed as well as the time invested. Over here you will see the time invested as well as the trades by symbol and the win rate. So if you scroll down a bit, you are going to see the ticker that I was backtesting, the number of amount, the equity, monthly performance, etc. So you will find all of the information about your backtesting strategy over here in the dashboard session. So you can also select the option of session and it is going to show you the session that you were trading. So over here it is going to show you all of the information about it. We also have this journal feature available. So when you select this particular option, it is going to show you how journaling is going to work, and all of the assets, the side and the tags, sessions that you have traded, and all of your backtesting data. So you can also customize it with the help of the filters. Afterwards you can go to the analytics and you can take a look at the analytics of all of your data. So that's how you can basically use the journal feature. You just have to do nothing but to just simply select your ticker, do the back testing, and the rest is going to be done by FX Replay. You will find all of your trading journal information over here in the trades tab. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.